Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Connie from Dandy's World. So first, coming over to the right in the middle, we're going to curve this line out on both sides for the hair. And now from this point, we're going to curve this line back up and out. Let's move underneath for our eyes now. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a circle, connecting that from the left, bringing this all the way up on the right. And then we're going to move across on the left-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across. Moving underneath, let's draw in a nice big half circle. Now moving down for the eyelashes, we're just going to draw two curved lines that come out on the side. In the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw in a small curved line. To the left of this, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come around on the right. Let's draw on a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. For the hands now, coming over to the corner of this, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we're going to do the same over on the left. Now for the thumb, curving this line out, back in. And now from that corner, just curving this line back across, closing that off. And now for our arms, we're just going to draw in a nice big arch line on both sides. Now moving up, let's close off the face. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line down. We'll do the same on the right, curving this line in. And now in the center, we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Let's close off the rest of the hair now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line out. Line that up at the same height on the left, replicating that. From the side, we're going to curve this line in and then back up. Now on the left-hand side, arching this line around, flattening that out, bringing that in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come across and then in on the right. Now let's draw on the hat. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line in towards the top, ending that at the same height. We're going to close this off with a small curved line from left to right. Now as we come in towards the middle, we're going to replicate that again. And then closing that off on the top. Now let's draw in the body. So as we come down on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the same on the right, arching this line around and then across. On the top for the tail, we're going to curve this line up and then in. From that corner, curving this line back up and then down. And now from here, we're going to connect this together by arching this line in towards the bottom. For the hair on the side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then down on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing as we come across and over on the right. Now in the middle, from the center, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. In the middle for the button, we're going to draw in a small circle. Dropping down again, let's replicate that. Now from the center, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then again, we're just going to curve this line back up and out. And that is it. That's how you draw Connie from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.